guys, welcome to this week's video. As you can tell, I've got no makeup on and I look like a dead sloth because today I'm going to be doing something I've never done before. It's a challenge and it's something to beauty because it's Saturday morning and I need to get ready for the day. So I'm going to do the no mirror makeup challenge, which is absolutely like, is it going to turn out well? Like, I feel like I do my makeup pretty well on a day-to-day basis, but I rely on the mirror and I'm scared. I'm more nervous about how my eyebrows are going to turn out than the rest of my face, but I'm super excited to do this. I asked you guys if you want to see this first or my book haul. You guys want to see this first, so that's what I'm doing for this week's video. And just before we get into the video, there won't be any video next week because I am off for 2 weeks, and next week I'm actually in Brighton for the weekend and I don't want to vlog it. I just want to like soak in the atmosphere without having to remember to pick up my phone to vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys understand, but the week after there'll be a nice little book haul, so look forward to that. Anyway, I have all my products in here and I'm super ready to get started. Of course, I'm looking at the viewfinder right now, but I am going to turn it around and I'll film this bit on my phone so you guys can see. So I'm going to turn it around. So that is done and I have no mirror next to me, I promise you. I do have a tissue though and my headband, but yeah. So let's just get started and I hope I'm still in focus. So I'm gonna put my headband on and I'm actually quite scared, like I feel like I need a mirror. So if we want to see the disaster that's about to happen, then carry on watching. So I'm gonna use, I can't even like do this because I can't see the viewfinder, so I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna prime my face first with the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot. This one will be an easy step, to be honest. I feel like I can do this without a mirror. Next, I'm gonna go in with foundation, and this is the Rimmel Wake Me Up, which is one of my favourites. It's got vitamin C and it's SPF 20, and I'm going to be using my blending sponge. I've already dampened my concealer and foundation one. This one is definitely one of my favourites, and I'm just gonna pump a bit on my hand, and this is when the disaster could happen because I don't have my viewfinder and I usually rely on this when I do a makeup video. But I've actually really enjoyed using sponges recently. Like, I usually go for a brush, but blending sponges just seem to be so much easier. This will probably take ages because I don't have a mirror to rely on to make sure it's blended. But I'm usually pretty good. Like, if it looks blended, don't shout at the screen please because I don't know. And next we are going to go in with concealer. I'm going to do dark under eyes with a concealer brush. And this is where I'm scared to poke myself in the eye. I feel like with the no mirror makeup challenge, I feel like makeup looks can take like twice as long because you don't trust yourself that you like blended in. Next, I'm going to be using my trusty Revolution Conceal Define, which is a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. And this is actually really full coverage for me. A lot of people say it's not as full coverage as Tarte one anyway, but this is so much better than the 17 one, which is actually gone forever. Rest in peace 17 makeup. If I still look dead, I'll be so annoyed. This is nearly finished, so luckily I bought another one and I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. And I'm gonna go in with my Stay Matte just to mattify my face with my powder brush. I have to go out soon, like I hope this passes, otherwise I have to do my makeup all over again. And then powder brush on my under eyes. Can't wait for the results though. Anyway, oh gosh, this powder gets everywhere now. It's actually, I feel like they changed the formula because it's very, very powdery and it's usually really tightly packed. And contour time. I will link all the products in the description box below, so I can just get straight to applying this without rabbiting on, because I've mentioned these products in loads of videos, but this is just the contour and highlight palette from 17. Rest in peace again. I always look like a weird fish. Oh, by the way, there is a mirror, but I'm not actually looking at it. I'm just, you could probably see I'm looking, I think, but I will cover it now. I actually on purpose chose an eyeshadow palette that didn't have a mirror as well, but coincidentally it's been my favourite eyeshadow palette, so let's go. I'm going to go in with bronzer. Loving the Benefit Hoola one. I should have done this before contour, but oh well. This is the dangerous part because you don't know if you're bronzing it too much. But on a more chatty note, just to move away from talking about makeup all the time, I'm actually doing exercises in the morning for like 40 minutes. It's exercises that Gabby's doing, and I just thought that sounds like right up my street because I can't be bothered to go to the gym and pay like not subscription fees but membership fees like every month. So I thought I might as well do exercises at home, and it's been really like fun so far. Like I feel so energized after each one. My legs are aching though, and so is my back, but overall I actually already feel healthier. And yeah, and I do it every morning first thing as soon as I get up and I get ready for the day, and yeah, I'm just enjoying it. Anyway, blusher time from my favourite I Heart makeup one, which is actually now called I Heart Revolution. Oh, I'm getting powder everywhere. What is this? These are new trousers. Oh no guys, this is brow time. And I'm going to hate myself because I literally rely on the mirror to get the perfect brows. I'm very particular about my brows. I take an age. I cut out a lot of footage whenever I do everyday makeup look. And there's a mirror. So I'm going to have to hide that like that. And just wish me luck, kids. Oh my god, where's that? Okay. Am I doing it right? I don't know if to speed this up as well. I might as well. Trying to get the colour. Oh, this is going to be in like 6 more eyebrows. Like I couldn't do my eyebrows in 6 months to save my life. They weren't even properly shaped. I'm very particular about these. If you've got perfect eyebrows, you just literally put a little bit in. But I can't even see them. I feel like I'm going to do a little bit. I won't try and do it properly so I can fix it after I film this video, because like I said, I have to go out. I'm done. It hurts. Next is highlight, and I'm going to be using Unicorn Heart. I just literally said I'm not going to be like talking about what I'm using, and I am. No, I feel like I just put it in my eyebrow. And next is eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my new favourite obsession, which was only £4, and it's the Primark K-Pop Sugar Rush palette, and it has no mirror. Yes! And it's got the prettiest freaking shades in. And I'm going to be doing, well, attempting to do a nice peachy look. Actually, I'll just use my fingers because I tend to do that now. I'm just putting this one all over my lid. How exciting though. 1975 released their new single Give Yourself a Try, and it is actual bop. Like as soon as I heard it in Radio 1 at 7 PM, or around 7 PM because I didn't actually play it then, but when I first heard it for the first time I was like, if you haven't heard it, go and watch it. There's also the music video as well, and I'm just excited. Like, there's actually 2 albums coming out. It's not a double album. It's literally 2 separate albums. One's coming out October, and then the other one is coming out next May, which hopefully will be around my birthday because that'll be best 22nd, but oh my god, I'll be 22 next year. What? I've just turned 21. Anyway, I've done this one on the outer corner. I'm going to blend it in. I'm honestly having so much fun doing this. I'm scared for results. I'm going to make a challenge for myself. I'm going to do some blue on my lower lash line. Oh gosh, where is my lower lash line? This is a similar look to what I've been doing a lot recently. And then in the inner corner, I'm going to do some yellow. Oh, I'm going to blind myself with eyeshadows. The next set, nearly done kids, is mascara, and I'm using Benefit Bad Girl Bang, and I'm actually scared because I'm actually going to kill myself. I feel like I'm definitely going to get mascara on my face. And to finish it off, I'm using the Mark from Avon, and it's in Pocket Pink, and this could be a big mistake. I'll be the pink-lipped Miranda Sings. And that is everything, and I am gonna do my hair and see how I look like. I think I'm gonna look like an 8-year-old using their mom's makeup. And I'm gonna turn this around, and I'm pretty scared. Oh my god. I'm gonna get my mirror, won't be with it. Okay, firstly, I didn't even do my brows properly. Like, I just went like that, and it's definitely 6 for my brows. Like, that's how I do my eyebrows. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's literally 6 for my brows. In terms of my like base makeup, it's actually really good, and I actually did my eye makeup right. Like, I thought it was like poking it down below. And my lipstick isn't too bad either. I mean, it's gone a bit into my skin, but I'm quite happy with that. Let me zoom in. Can you see, guys, how bad that is? And my eyebrows. But I think my favourite part is my eyes. Like, I think I actually did that really well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you were entertained by me complaining and trying to do my makeup. Yeah, I'm actually proven to myself I am more skilled than I think I am. I'm not below average. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updates when it's upload, and I will see you guys in 2 weeks time for another video. Bye!